In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use Google Cloud Vision API for image recognition. We are gonna need a trigger, downloader, Google Cloud Vision, and print component. The downloader expects an object with URL property and it outputs an object, and we are interested in a file name property. So let's configure the trigger. First I'm gonna find some image we can use. There is no configuration needed for the downloader, so that's okay. Since we know the downloader output is an object with file name property, we need to tell the Google component where to look for the file. Make sure to follow the steps shown here to create a project, enable billing and Vision API, and to get the key file. And that's pretty much it, so let's test it. And as we can see, it correctly recognized the dancing house, which is a hotel in Prague. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.